What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are up at our Orange County yard, and if you saw my video the other day, you know that this front pin on the wing here got completely mangled. Here, I'll climb over and show you real quick. This pin is twisted like crazy. I don't really know how this happened, but as you can see right here, it's like a C in there. So it's probably going to be difficult to get out. I'm going to have to like spin it as it comes out. Hopefully we don't run into any issues. We should be able to get it, but Rodrigo made a new pin right here. He welded a couple pieces together, drilled a hole in it for us. So he welded this, like, I don't even know what he got this out of. Maybe like a piece of flat stock, and just cut it into a circle, welded a piece of chain link on it, and drilled a hole down here for a pin. So this is our new pin for that. It'll slide right in there once we can get the old one out. I'm gonna have to slide a jack over here probably and take some tension off of this and try and get this out. So that's my first problem, is getting that out, and then the second one is getting this to slide down in. And you need these pieces, these two openings here, to line up square with the three on the truck. So hopefully none of that is actually twisted. When this thing got hit, it might have tweaked one of them, but the pin's still in there. So let me grab a jack and we'll try and get this one out. See how it's spinning? Here, maybe you hold it while I hit it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, that one, my phone. That one.
Yeah, but it needs to spin to go up.
Yep.
But this chain that's welded on there is kind of getting in the way.
Lo convinto.
It's all the way in the bottom hole. The whole fucking thing.
Pretty much.
Yeah. This whole plate. It's underneath the chain. That's the problem. You see that? You know, I have a grinder. You want me to cut this?
Yeah, we could try to take care of it for me.
I have a grinder in my truck.
No, we need lettuce for me.
Yeah, but if we grind it here.
Yeah. What?
If we grind it there, the pin might fall out the bottom. Should I grind it flush right here? The pin is garbage.
Yeah.
Should I grind it?
Yeah.
Let me grab the grinder.
Aquí está Rory.
Pero había una cajita pesada.
down or up? Yeah.
Estamos um lado. You think we have plenty room to go down?
I think down would be easier.
Yeah, but we have plenty room.
Yeah, but we can jack it up. I can use the jack and lift the whole thing up.
Okay, vámonos.
Lift this whole thing. Ricky.
No, no estamos claros. Ando mal.
You want to use the new pin and go in at the same time? Might be a good idea.
Buenísimo la idea.
Yeah, let's do that. A little bit of that angle first. This piece slid in. You see that? You're gonna go a little bit like that first. Get it down in there. It's a good test of your welds. See how strong your welds are right now.
Come on.
Maybe the chest beneath them. Get all that straight. It's going. I can cut more if you want. Almost. We gotta watch it for right now. Here's my hammer. Here's my martillo.
Dale, muñeco.
El camino para abajo.
Yeah. There we go.
No, no, para acá. Ajá. Póngale, hágale para acá.
Yeah, let me see the bar. I'll do it here. Yep. I'll do it right here.
¿Tienes todo el control o no?
Oh, you're too far this way now.
Ahí está la canchita de lado. Esa que es así delgadita, negra.
Ya, entonces mi muñeco.
Try. Poquito on me. I need to come. I need to come to right now. Okay, hit it one time right now. Ricky, hit it. One time. Nice. One time, nice. Yep. Keep going. Yep. You have a document camera? Yep.
Yo no veo nada.
Yep. Hey, un momento. We're in the last hole now. Well, actually 2 more holes, but this, maybe I need to go down with this. Be careful, I'm gonna go down with the jack.
Yep.
Nope. We can't go down because then we can't get the pin out. Yeah, we need to try and get that pin right now. We need to try and get that pin.
Oh.
You want me to cut it again? What do you think? Should I cut it?
Su pie. No llegó. Bien. Oh. Una varilla, se ve una varilla por ahí.
We need like something to punch it on the angle right here.
Rebar.
What does this fit? Is this Ricky? Hit my hammer. Hit my hammer one time. Come on. Who's a genius?
Una chiquita.
Come on. All right, let me go down. That's a problem. Ricky, you think if I jack that up?
What will you push in the bottle?
Yeah, but watch, this might work.
No.
Let's try it. You don't think so?
No, is the problem is the...
Yeah, but it's gonna hit the other one. It's gonna hit it and push it. You see? Come on. Look how close we are now. Yep, a little bit more. A little bit more. Let me see that. I need to hit that. No, I need to hit this, I think. We need to be a little bit more like that. Forward.
That way?
Forward and in a little bit. You're almost there. It's so... Oh, it's going. Hey. Nice, Ricky. You are King Kong.
Sí, chiquito, King Kongcito.
Yeah, Chiquito King Kong. Yep. All we needed was a little bit of muscles. All right, we got this pin back in here. That was a process. I thought it was gonna be a bit easier than it really was. We ended up cutting the top of this pin out. I don't think we were getting this pin out if we didn't cut that off. And it was still pretty tough to bang it down through the bottom, which was definitely easier than going out from the top. But if we didn't have a grinder here, I don't know if we were gonna get that out. Hopefully this new pin holds up and we don't have to worry about that ever again. But that is gonna wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.